We will discuss about all subjects in detail. Let's start with the geography. First doubt by the most of the people is source. Most of the people is asking what should be the source for geography. Which book I should refer for the geography? There are many books present in the market like Majid Hussain, G.C. Leong, NCERT and other books. I will recommend NCERT. NCERT. From which class to which class? 6th through 12th. From 6th to 12th. Now you will ask which NCERT, old or new or both. I will recommend new NCERT. Now you will ask why not old. For that you can watch our other video. I have explained about the difference between both NCERT, old NCERT and new NCERT. So what should be the source of for your geography? NCERT should be the source only. It is enough to clear the exam. Now the next doubt by the most of the people is how to read. So now in this video we will learn how to read the NCERT book. How many days we will give to finish all the NCERT book and how many hours we will give daily or monthly to finish the NCERT book. As we know that there are 9 NCERT books from 6th to 12th. From 6th through 10th, 5 NCERT is present for 1 NCERT for each class. And in 11th and 12th, 2 NCERT is present. So total 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 NCERT is present. And they contain approx 900 pages. They have 900 pages. So now the question is how to finish those 900 pages. I will suggest to finish all those NCERT in 10 days or 9 days. 9 or 10 days is enough. So you have to read approx 100 pages. If you will read 100 pages in a day, then you can finish in 9 days to the all NCERT. Or if you are not able to finish 100 pages, then finish at least 50 pages in a day. So if you will read 50 pages, then you can finish in 18 days. You can finish all the NCERT in 18 days. So it will take approx 10 or 20 days. 10 or 20 days to finish the NCERT book. Now the third doubt by the most of the people is for mains what should we do for the geography? Should I read the different book or NCERT is enough? I will tell that NCERT is enough. NCERT is enough for both prelims and mains. Just see the previous question of mains, you will get the whole idea. So when you will see the questions, you will see that most of the question is asking from the current affairs and NCERT geography. So you will understand that yes, NCERT is enough. So go to the question paper and see. Now fourth doubt by the most of the people is what should I do after reading the books? If I have read those 900 pages NCERT in 10 days or 20 days, so what should I do next? How can I assure that what I read is enough? So for that you can refer the previous question for both prelims and mains. For both prelims and mains you can see the previous question of UPSC IAS exam. Once you will see the question, you will get the idea how the question is being framed, and you will know that most of the question is based on the current affair and the map. And the map question is not too much tough. They are based on the current issue. So you can easily solve those questions from the current affair itself. You don't need to be mastered in the map. You don't need to give many times on the map. Only those things which appear in the current affair, about those things you have to know. Related to those, the question will come in the geography in the map, and other subject also. So you can refer the previous year question for both prelims and mains. And I will also post objective question from NCERT on the basis of UPSC pattern. Now the next doubt, fifth doubt, and the next doubt is by the most of the people is how to revise. If I will read those 900 pages or 1000 pages, then how to revise before prelims. Suppose tomorrow is my prelims exam or tomorrow is my mains exam. How can I revise? I have not only read one book of 1000 pages. There are many books also present for polity, economy and environment. Then it will be more difficult to revise all the subjects before the exam, before prelims, before in the last 2 or 3 months of the prelims or in the mains exam time. It is difficult to revise. So how to revise? For that I have a simple nice trick from which you can revise the whole books. If 1000 pages is present in the geography NCERT, then I will make the keyword notes of 100 pages, 100 or 80 pages. So if you will read those 80 pages, it will take only 1 or 2 hours. You can read in 1 or 2 hours to the whole geography of 1000 pages, and those summary will be in such a way that it will contain all the information of those 1000 pages. So I will post the video of geography and other subject also, and I will also provide the PDF of all subject, and you can keep it and you can also Xerox it, and from the hard copy you can also revise, or you can also revise from the soft copy itself. So just you have to revise from those 100 pages when after reading the books, or you can also go with current video which I will post. You can also read from the books and you can also watch the video which I will post of those 100 pages of all subject. So you can also do that from now, or you can do later also, that is not a problem, but must do these 100 pages. This is very, very important, and you can do it from now also or exam time also. It is not a problem. So in the next video we will talk about the other subject. Please watch other video. Thank you so much.